my burp contest between my brother and me. Okay? Ready? You go first. Okay, no thanks, my turn. Okay, you guys have. I have 9 out of 10 people. Okay.
No, the comments get to vote that her score should be 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or
0.
or 0 points for this lady.
Okay, we're gonna keep going. Your turn.
That one was not real.
Okay, restart. You.
Jason, try not to stop in the video.
What you doing today, Bob?
Okay, nothing.
Nothing really.
Please comment on that one. It's not your turn 3 times in a row.
It might be. If you didn't hear that, I was burping while I was drinking my pop. Okay,
So this lady does not know how to burp. She does not know how to drink, but also burp.
6 burps in 1 round.
In this round, I did 0 burps.
Your turn. And you guys get to comment who won. Go. Okay, my turn.
That was mine right there.
Wait.
That was nothing. Move on to me. When I get too much pop in my mouth, it makes me burp loud. So guys, who won of this round challenge?
We're keep going.
Burp. But also, I'm gonna put you guys on pause, and we will be back in a flash.
It's my turn. Ready, set. Okay, Hudson's turn. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I burped too much.
Your turn.
Your turn.
Let me take a drink. I can take a drink with you burping.
That was fake. These are fake. My turn for the queen.
Says the one that made that loud burp.
Which is me. I got one coming. Oh my gosh. That's so loud. Okay, ready?
I
My
love
turn.
burping.
My favorites, people. Go.
She needs to get out of here, right? Who won in this comment on the comment section below?
Hello?
Opening time. Open.
So
Okay. Open this. We're gonna open this live of this dad. We're gonna open this. Dad, you know you're on camera.
So gotta do good.
What is the rest? What is the rest?
This is our dad.
Mom.
And that is our mom. And that is our brother Jason. They don't need to know we're eating. That's mom.
I'll open it.
Everybody.
Is it time to open?
Yes.
Open what? Presents?
That's what this is.
That was another burp for the burping challenge. Here we go. Opening live, Mom. We're opening live.
Okay, there's cards. Hudson.
That goes to me.
Me. Who's that?
Everybody got cards. cards. Jason.
Right here.
Oh, sorry.
Caleb.
Can I open it?
Oh, dude, that's okay.
Caleb's card.
Kaylee. I mean,
Ready?
Can I open it?
wait, what's
What do
your
you
name?
want?
Ha!
Okay, open.
Ready, set, go.
Don't know how to open it. Last time they gave us $100 bill.
No, they didn't. They gave us all 20s.
What?
Or it was like 10s.
I can't open that.
I got one open.
They were using that cord. Oh, this? Yeah.
Nobody say what it is.
Happy Merry Christmas.
Don't say what's inside.
Ain't gonna be anything inside.
Oh, yeah?
Jason has
Here, Mom. Here.
a. Dad, can I show you? Mommy, you want to see mine? What's it? 25.
Everything. Can you read
Wait,
your
whose
card?
is that one?
Just us.
Happy.
No, that should have been mine.
Have.
Have. She mostly sleeps.
Merry Christmas.
Have a.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Okay, now open it. This moves.
We love you.
We
Hope
love
your
you.
Christmas is full of joy, Pa and Grandma.
What is that?
Where's our 25?
Mm.
What? You know 25?
They go to the kids.
You get roasted.
No, my money.
Caleb's like.
Dad,
Where's Caleb?
you know I have like $100 now.
Where's Caleb? Where's Caleb? Where's Caleb's card?
You guys only have 25?
I have 100. I have 100.
What?
They only have 25?
Oh, you do too?
Where's Caleb's?
In my hand.
Oh.
Sorry, guys, for putting you like that.
Alright.
We don't show them our money. So, our grandma and pa gave us $25.
And we'll see you guys on the next video.
No, wait.
Come on, just.
Caleb, you
And now I have $100 from my